Hey guys, we have got some huge leaks for the iPhone 13 series, particularly for the iPhone 13 Pro models and the iPhone 13 mini, which is including the actual design CAD revealing slightly new look for the iPhone 13 and 13 mini. As far as this year, we have a slightly change in the iPhone 13 series design. Honestly, nothing major change has been arrived, only the small latch is coming, and these renders are completely based on CAD leaks. And as you can see in these images, we have the rendered images that are completely based on CAD leaks, and they are intended to have smaller notch because of the earpiece has been shifted outside. As far as the back, the Pro models are rocking the same look of 3 cameras on the back with LiDAR scanners and flashlight. Also in the leaks, the iPhone 13 series is going to be having a little thicker. That could be a reason for a battery capacity which is going to be improved, as these iPhone will be the first ever devices which are rocking the 120Hz of refresh rate display. As far as the iPhone 13 mini is concerned, we have the CAD render for that particular device, which has a 6.1 inch of screen, and it rocks a dual camera setup which are positioned in a diagonal, which gives it a unique look. This change in the cameras may be because Apple is going to be adding sense and shift stabilization on all the cameras in all iPhone 13 models. Also, no LiDAR sensor on the iPhone 13 mini, which means it's exclusive to Pro models, as we still have main and wide angles on non-Pro models. So this is it. These are the iPhone 13 series that are going to be coming in September this year, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Will you wait for a major update coming next year? Are you excited for this year iPhone, especially the 120Hz refresh rate which is coming this time around? Last but not the least, in case you missed the recent news, Apple Spring Loaded event is still going to happen on April 20th, and as always it will be an online event. A lot of new products are expected to be announced at this event. The AirTags are going to be expected, brand new iPads with mini LED display, and possibly a redesigned iMac update. I'm super excited for that event. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think? As always, if you guys new here, be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Peace.